Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect JBL PartyBox 120 to your TV in 2026. So first of all, let's start with one of the easiest method, which is via Bluetooth. So you need to turn on your speaker and press the Bluetooth button in order to enter into the pairing mode. Now you need to go to your TV's Bluetooth settings and search for the devices and select your speaker. Once connected, your TV audio will play through the speaker, and if your TV doesn't support Bluetooth, you can just simply try another method in which you just have to simply take the 3.5 mm AUX cable, connect one end to your TV's headphone or audio out port and the other end to your speaker's AUX input. Then you just have to switch the speaker to AUX mode. This method is going to give a stable connection without any delay. If your TV has RCA audio output, you can also use that. So you need to connect the red and the white RCA cables from your TV to the speaker and then select the correct input mode on the speaker. This works well for older TVs without Bluetooth. Finally, you can go to the audio settings, set the output to external speaker or audio out to ensure the sound is routed correctly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.